NFT has recently received a lot of attention in the news and media. It is a new technological product that is likely to have a great impact on the technology industry in the near future. This video will explain to you some common questions about NFT. What is NFT? Why does NFT have such potential? Is it true that you can quickly make millions of dollars by NFT? Let's dive right in. 1. What is NFT? What is the difference between NFT and crypto? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. An object is supposed to be non-fungible when its value is unknown and it cannot be exchanged for another object of the same type. What about tokens? A token is a thing that symbolizes a certain interest or value but is not money itself. When entering an amusement center, you have to buy coins to put in game machines to play. These coins are only valid in that area. When leaving, you exchange the excess coin to take cash back. In this situation, the gaming coins can be considered as tokens, proofs of monetary value, but not money themselves. In the case of NFT, tokens are not tangible objects that can be touched or felt. They are virtual assets. They represent your ownership of something, just like a land use rights certificate that proves your ownership of a house. You have the right to use, buy, sell or rent it. In a nutshell, NFT is a form of digital asset that exists on a digital chain, blockchain. This blockchain serves as a ledger, ensuring the legitimacy of both assets and owners. So is NFT the same as crypto? NFT and coin together shares the characteristics of blockchain, that is decentralization and anonymity. Furthermore, NFT can be stored on the blockchain wallet, taken out, and used as a means of transactions similar to coins. Currently, the NFT market has grown strongly with many trading markets. Are they different? A coin will have more liquidity, which means it is easier for you to buy and sell. The value of a coin is determined by the market price, based on supply and demand. An NFT does not have a fixed price. The price of the NFT is determined by the seller and is based on valuation as a collectible. Coins are divisible but NFT is not. For example, your 1 ETH is the same and can be divisible to transfer or sell. And NFT is unique, indivisible, and non-fungible, the characteristic that makes it unique. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. What is NFT game? NFT games are simply games built and developed on the blockchain platform. Each game will have its own economy as well as its own token. Players participating can earn valuable gifts in the form of NFT. But what makes NFT special and attractive to players is the currency and items in NFT can be converted into real money via high-value exchanges. Unlike traditional games, the player's items will stay in the account. With blockchain games, you control your currencies and items. You can send, give or sell to anyone without having to give your whole account like a traditional game. The currency in NFT games is a cryptographic token, which has its own value for each game. 3. NFT, the pros and cons. The pros. Up to now, no coin has been able to create a record profit of 100,000% in 3 days like NFT the Trump image from Hashmasks. The rarity of unconventional NFTs has unimaginable upside potential. Blockchain technology allows the 4.0 collection processing to be more transparent and convenient. With a few mouse clicks, you can track the origin and confirm the owner of a multi-million-dollar painting. And the transaction history is also kept on the chain. You can recognize whether it is counterfeit or not. When products are tokenized, it is much easier to store them safely, securely than in traditional collection. The most significant advantage of NFT is that it allows users to have cross-border payments with lower transaction costs and quicker than traditional methods. The cons. The most obvious drawback of NFT is its poor liquidity. So far, the entire trading volume of NFT is just around $300 million, which is equal to only 0.1% of the total trading volume of cryptocurrencies in a single day. Moreover, the value of NFT items is quite difficult to assess. The essence of collecting is based on individual tastes and sentiments. Thus, there will be insane fans willing to pay high prices. 4. Real-world use cases for NFT. NFT is now getting widely used in digital products such as music, photographs, drawings, and other forms of art. For example, when an artist sells a painting as NFT, the buyer will have to pay and become the owner of it. Others can still see the painting. but only the buyer has official ownership. NFT has such potential as it can exist in all types of digital objects, images, videos, audio, text, or even a Twitter post. NFTs can also be pieces of land on virtual world land, a digital garment, or the right to use a proprietary cryptocurrency wallet. So what are the advantages of NFT? It can provide significant benefits to both sellers and buyers. Because NFT assets can verify the authenticity and clear ownership, transactions are also transparent, especially with artworks where authenticity is important in determining value. Sellers themselves can also protect their property rights and fairly reap the results of their effort. In the game world, if you buy items and characters in the form of NFT, then you are the 100% exclusive owner of it. So that is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand the concept of NFT. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.